Now we are going to see the another unit, measurement of mass. We have already seen measurement of length. Now we are going to see the another quantity, another physical quantity, measurement of mass. First we must know what is mass. We must know the definition of mass. That mass is nothing but weight, okay? That is called as the amount of matter a thing consists of its weight. The amount of matter a thing consists of its weight. For example, the amount of matter, that means our body weight, we can call it as a what matter. That's matter, the amount of matter of a thing. So a thing, for example, our body weight, it is that is, for example, 56 kilo, 55 kilo, 35 kilo. This is all the weight of the body. That is what they are given, the amount of matter a thing consists of its weight. So that is mass, that means weight. Both are same. And after that, example, medicines and potatoes and body weight. See, medicines generally, we are giving the medicines to the patient, or pills, otherwise we can call it as. So we are giving in milligram unit. So as a very small quantity of medicines only we are giving to the patient according to the illness. So medicines, that is medicines measure in milligram, and after that potatoes, it is measured in grams as well as in what, kilogram. For example, 1 kg potato, otherwise we can call it a 500 kg potato. 500 means 500 gram of potato, and 250 gram of potato, 100 gram of potato, 250 gram of apples, and pomegranate, 500 gram of pomegranates. So all these things come, even vegetables and fruits, everything, even the masala packets, whatever the coriander powder or chili powder or turmeric powder, all comes under in the packet. It comes in 100 grams, 250 grams, 500 grams. So all these are the packet, all the masalas packet, and also the vegetables and fruits we measure in grams. So compare milligram and gram. Gram is a bigger unit and milligram is a smaller unit. Now body weight. So it's for example, the human's body weight of the person, weight of a boy, weight of a girl, weight of a man, weight of a woman, all these things comes around. So 55 kg, that is 56 kg, and 80 kg, 25 kg. So these are all the body weight. It comes under in kilogram. So kilogram is a bigger unit for all. So compare milligram to gram, kilogram is a bigger unit. So milligram to gram, gram is a bigger unit, milligram is a smaller unit. Okay, now units I told you, mg is called as milligram, g is called as gram, and kg is equal to what? Kilogram. Milligram, spelling is M-I-L-L-I, milli, G-R-A-M, milligram. This is called as mg is a short form, and G-R-A-M, gram, it comes around one, that is called as g. And after that, gram is a smaller, that is what is this? It's a small form of, it is gram. Gram is a unit, it's a small form, it is g. And after that, kilogram, K-I-L-O-G-R-A-M, kilogram. So this smallest form, it is kg. Then after that, convert from a smaller unit to bigger unit. So smaller unit to bigger unit means you have to divide, and bigger unit to smaller unit you have to multiply. Before that, we have to look at this, multiply bigger unit to smaller unit. In this place, kilogram to what? Gram. So bigger unit to smaller unit, you have to multiply. So 1 kilogram is equal to what? 1000 grams. So for example, 5 kilogram is equal to, for example, 5 kilogram of grapes, or 5 kilogram of oranges, or 5 kilogram of apple. So 5 kilogram means how many grams? That is 5 into 1000, you can get 5000 grams. So kilogram convert into gram, you have to multiply. So smaller unit to bigger unit, that means division, that is gram to kilogram. That is 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. That is 250 gram. 250 gram is divided by 1000. So 250 divided by 1000 cancels 0, 0. So 25 is divided by 100. See, now how many zeros in 100? 2 zeros. So 25 means you have to move 2 decimal place to the left. 2 decimal place to the left. That is 0.25. That is called. So after that, 5, 2. So 2 decimal place to the what? Left, and After that you must put a point, then you have to add the zeros represent decimal 0.25 what? Kilogram. So gram convert into kilogram, that is smaller unit convert into bigger unit means you have to divide, and bigger unit convert into smaller unit you have to divide according to the formula value you have to do it. Now we start the problems. That means convert from a smaller unit to bigger unit, that is I told you smaller to bigger means division is very clearly. So 454 gram is equal to dash kilogram. This is the question. So I'll just do the sum. 454 gram is equal to dash kilogram. So gram to kilogram means what you're going to do? Division. So 1000 gram is equal to how many kilogram? 1 kilogram. So 454 is divided by 1000. So you can get, so 3, what is? You have to move 3 decimal places to the left. Okay. So 454, 454. So move 3 decimal place to the left. Because how many zeros? 3 zeros in 1000. So move 3 decimal place to the left. So 454, and after that you must put a point. Then you have to add 0 in front of the point. The answer is 0.45 kilogram. 0.45 kilogram. This is the right answer for the question. Now next we are going to do the next sum. See, 12,350 gram. 12,350 gram converted into how many kilogram? This is the question, right? See, what are you going to do? So I told you 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So 12,350 is divided by 1000 because gram is a smaller unit and kilogram is a what? Bigger unit. Small and big. So convert small to big means you have to, smaller unit to bigger unit means you have to divide. So 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. That is what you have to divide it by 1000. Now cancel the zeros. Now after that how many zeros are here? Only 2 zeros. So move the decimal place. So move the decimal place. Move the decimal place to the, move 2 decimal place to the left. Move 2 decimal place to the left. Move 2 decimal place to the left. So point is coming here. That means 12.35 kilogram. See, 1, 2, 3, 5. Move 2 decimal place to the left. So move 2 decimal place to the left. Answer is 12.35 kg. So you write this answer. You convert. Now you fill the blanks. And that's all this question. Now convert from bigger unit to smaller unit. So bigger to smaller means you have to multiply. It's very, very important. You know that. So 0.25 kilogram to gram. So kilogram is a bigger unit, gram is a smaller unit. So that means bigger to smaller means you have to multiply 0.25. That means I've told you there is kilogram. So 1 kilogram is equal to, you have to, this already I've told you 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So you have to change the formula according to your need. Now they are asking 0.25 kilogram is equal to dash gram. That means you have to write, what are you going to do? So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. That means you have to multiply by 1000 this question. 0.25 into 1000. So what are you going to do? You write as it is 0.25. Then add how many zeros? 3 zeros. Okay. Now what are you going to do? So move this decimal point. So how many zeros in 1000? Multiply by 1000. How many zeros in 1000? 3 zeros. So move this decimal point. Move this decimal point 3 place to the right. Okay, 3 place to the right. That means 250.00. After 250 you have to put a point. So I told you after the point there is no need to what? Add zeros. So just cancel the zeros. So 250 what? 250, what is this? 0.25 kilogram means 250 gram. This is the right answer. Again I'll explain. 0.25 because gram is given. you have to convert this 0.25 kilogram as given. So kilogram is convert into gram. So if your kilogram is convert into gram means you have to multiply, because kilogram is a bigger unit and gram is a smaller unit. That means you have to multiply. So 0.25 into 1000. So just write 0.25. After that you have to multiply by 1000. So you add 3 zeros afterwards. So this decimal point, move 3 decimal place to the right direction. That means 1, 2, 3. So after that you must put a point. Then you have to write 0. So move 3 decimal place means 250.00 will come. So after the point, if you had how many zeros, there is no value. So just cancel the zeros. The answer is 250. What is the answer? 250 gram. This is the right answer for the question. Now next, 2.7 kilogram. Again you have to multiply. Kilogram into gram means you have to multiply by what? 1000. 2.7, then you add, because multiply by 1000, add 3 zeros. So this decimal point, move 3 decimal place to the right. That means 2700.0. After the point you have to add 0, means you have to cancel the 0 because there is no value for that. So you have to write 2700 gram. That's the right answer for the question. I think you understand very clearly. So whatever the concept I taught for you, just go through once or twice the videos, then memorize the formulas and practice once or twice, do the sums. You will be very thorough in the concept.